What's up, everyone? Today, we're diving into the program that secretly runs the world, Microsoft Excel. I'm about to show you 10 insane tricks that will save you hours, make you look like a genius, and skyrocket your productivity. Forget boring classes. These are Excel cheat codes for real life. We'll cover everything from making your data beautiful to summarizing thousands of rows in seconds. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end. My secret weapon I use every day. Grab a drink, get ready, and let's make your life 100 times more efficient. Let's do this! Alright, let's dive into our first trick, and trust me, this one feels like you're controlling your computer with your mind. It's all thanks to Excel's almost mind-reading feature, Flash Fill. Ever find yourself staring at a list of full names like John Smith and needing to split them into separate columns for first and last names? Well, instead of manually typing each one, just type John in the next column, then start typing the next first name, and Excel fills the rest instantly, like magic. It intelligently recognizes your pattern and automatically applies it to the whole list. No complicated formulas, no tedious coding required. What about when you need to extract specific numbers from product codes like Prod 123 USA? Simply show Excel what you want once, and Flash Fill intelligently does the rest, extracting those numbers for you. It works wonders for names, extracting information from emails, formatting phone numbers, basically anything where there's a consistent pattern. The magic command? Just hit Ctrl+E, or if you prefer the scenic route, you can find Flash Fill conveniently located on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. Learning this one trick alone will save you countless hours of manual data entry and instantly elevate your Excel skills, making you look like a true spreadsheet superstar. Your co-workers will be left wondering how you manage to work so efficiently and process data at lightning speed. So, remember, Flash Fill is like having your own personal data assistant right inside Excel. Next time you find yourself facing a repetitive and mind-numbing task, remember to leverage the power of Flash Fill and let Excel do the heavy lifting for you. Quick shortcut to remember, Ctrl+E. That's Flash Fill, a real game changer. Let's keep the momentum going with our next tip coming right up. Ever get a messy spreadsheet full of duplicate entries? Cleaning it up manually is torture. Enter Remove Duplicates, Excel's one-click solution. Select your data, go to the Data tab, and click Remove Duplicates. Confirm the columns, hit OK, and Excel instantly deletes all duplicates. You'll see a pop-up telling you how many were removed and how many unique values remain. No more scrolling for hours or missing entries. This keeps your reports accurate and your data clean. Essential for mailing lists, sales data, or any big data set. Stop hunting for duplicates. Let Excel do it. Data tab, remove duplicates. Done. Let's move on. Next up, making your spreadsheet a work of art. Tired of staring at a wall of numbers? Does your spreadsheet look like a monochrome nightmare? Let's make your data pop with conditional formatting. It's the secret weapon to transform dull spreadsheets into vibrant, insightful dashboards. Highlight important info automatically. No more manual searching. Let Excel do the work for you. See top sales in green, instantly identifying your star performers. Low numbers in red, quickly pinpointing areas that need attention. All at a glance. Understand your data without having to read every single number. Select your data, the range you want to analyze. Go to Home. Conditional formatting. It's right there in the ribbon. And set rules like greater than 5,000 inches for green, highlighting all your high-value entries. Less than 500 inches for red, drawing immediate attention to your lowest performers. Instantly, your spreadsheet tells a story. It transforms from a jumble of numbers into a clear visual narrative. No more hunting for trends. The patterns jump right out at you. Add data bars for mini bar charts inside cells. Visualize the magnitude of each value within its cell. Use it for overdue tasks, low inventory, top students. The possibilities are endless. Anything. Conditional formatting turns boring data into a visual dashboard. Unlock the power of visual communication. Go to Home, click Conditional Formatting. It's just a few clicks away. And bring your data to life. Watch your spreadsheet transform before your eyes. You'll spot trends and problems in seconds. Make data-driven decisions with confidence. No more eye strain, squinting at endless rows and columns. Just instant insights. Get the information you need when you need it. Make your spreadsheet a work of art. Transform your data into a masterpiece. Ready for the next level? Let's dive deeper into Excel's powerful features. Let's summarize massive data in seconds. Learn how to handle even the largest datasets with ease. Pivot tables are up next. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your data. Let's talk about VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. Here's how to search like a pro. Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of spreadsheets? Jumping between countless sheets, desperately trying to piece together the information you need? Well, say hello to your new best friend, VLOOKUP, and meet its even smarter, more versatile sibling, XLOOKUP. These functions are game changers when it comes to data retrieval. Imagine this. You have a list of order IDs neatly organized in one sheet, and the corresponding product names are stored safely away in another sheet, perhaps even in a completely different workbook. Instead of manually searching and copying, you can bring them together in seconds, automatically. VLOOKUP works by diligently searching for a specific value in the very first column of your specified range. Once it finds a match, it effortlessly returns the corresponding information from another column that you define. But XLOOKUP takes things to a whole new level. It's not just better, it's a complete upgrade. XLOOKUP can look up any value, whether it's to the left or to the right of your lookup column. And the best part? It achieves all this with a much simpler and more intuitive formula. Say goodbye to tedious copying and pasting, and no more spending countless hours manually searching through endless rows of data. XLOOKUP is not only faster and more flexible, but also significantly less prone to errors and formula breakage. Use it to effortlessly merge lists from different sources, accurately match data points, or pull specific information from virtually anywhere within your spreadsheets. If you're fortunate enough to have Excel 365 or a newer version, make the smart choice and use XLOOKUP for absolutely everything. It's like finally upgrading from a clunky, outdated flip phone to a sleek, powerful smartphone. So the next time you find yourself needing to connect data points across your spreadsheets, sit back, relax, and let Excel, with the help of VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP, do all the searching for you. VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP? Consider them your new data-finding superpowers, ready to be unleashed. Ready to learn another navigation trick that will save you time and frustration? Let's learn how to stop getting lost in those massive, sprawling spreadsheets. Up next, the incredibly useful Freeze Panes feature. Ever scroll down a huge sheet and lose your headers? Freeze Panes keeps them visible. Go to View Freeze Panes. Freeze top row. Now your headers stay put as you scroll. Want to freeze the first column too? Click cell B2, then Freeze Panes. Instantly, your headers and first column are always visible. No more losing track of what's what. Essential for big tables and data analysis. Stay oriented and focused. Never get lost again. View tab, Freeze Panes. 2 clicks to sanity. Make navigation effortless. Next, make your spreadsheet error-proof. Data validation is up. Let's lock down your data. Tired of typos and wrong entries? Data validation is your spreadsheet's bouncer. Set rules for what's allowed in each cell. Force correct formats, numbers, or choices. Create drop-down lists for options like Not Started, In Progress, Completed. Select your cells, go to Data. Data validation, choose List, and enter your options. Now users can only pick from your list. No more messy data. Use it for numbers, dates, or custom rules. Add error messages to guide users. Build professional error-proof templates. Data validation keeps your data clean and consistent. Next, keyboard shortcuts to supercharge your speed. Still using your mouse for everything? Time to level up with keyboard shortcuts. Control plus arrow keys, jump to the edge of your data instantly. Control plus Shift plus arrow, select entire columns or rows in a flash. Control plus Shift plus L toggle filters on and off, super fast. Ctrl+1, open format cells for quick formatting. Ctrl+S, save your work. Do it often. Ctrl+A, select all data in your table. Master these and you'll fly through spreadsheets. Build muscle memory and become an Excel ninja. Shortcuts equal sign speed and efficiency. Start practicing today. Next, split messy columns in seconds. Text to columns is up. Got data crammed into one column? Text to columns splits it up instantly. Select your column, go to Data, Text to Columns. Choose Delimited, pick your separator, comma, space, etc. and preview the result. Click Finish. Your data is now in separate columns. Perfect for cleaning up messy imports or exports. No more manual copying and pasting. Text to Columns is the ultimate cleanup tool. Next time you get jumbled data, let Excel do the work. Data tab, Text to Columns. Problem solved. Now let's protect your masterpiece. Spent hours building a perfect spreadsheet. Protect it from accidental edits. Lock formula cells, leave data entry cells open. Select cells to unlock, press Ctrl+1, go to Protection, uncheck Locked. Then go to Review. Protect Sheet, set a password and choose Permissions. Now, users can only edit what you allow. Formulas stay safe. Share your workbook with confidence. Protect Sheet is essential for any shared file. Don't let one mistake ruin your work. Review tab, Protect Sheet. Lock it down. Ready for the final tip? That's it. 10 Excel tips to make you faster, smarter, and more productive. Use even half of these and you'll be a legend at work or school. Which tip blew your mind? Let me know in the comments. Bonus tip for those who stayed, the F4 key repeats your last action. Formatting, inserting rows, and more. It's the ultimate shortcut for repetitive tasks. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe for more. Go use your new Excel powers for good. See you in the next video.